Hey everyone, so I just wanted to share with you another cutie little patootie project that I just finished. This is a kitchen hand dish towel thing. The other ones are holders where you can remove the dish towel, but this one is actually sewn in to the gingerbread itself. So this one, it doesn't come out, but the other ones that I've showed you, like this one here, it has a ring where you can change up your dish towel if you want. It's just a ring that goes on to the dish towel holder. But this one is a hand. I guess when you wash your hands, you want to dry a quick little, I don't know what they're called. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, I think he came out so cute. I did add some sprinkles to his nose and his cutie patootie little cheeks. Yeah, so these will be made to order. If you wanted one, you could leave me a comment and I would make one for you. I will take a picture of this one and then list it in my Etsy shop as a made to order. So you can change up the color of the bowl, the hat, the dish towel. I found them in white, red, and various other colors like a blue, aqua color. So yeah, if you need a specific color, then you could just leave that in the comments. So yeah, just wanted to share with you. I think it's so cute. I think it came out really cute. This is the first time I ever make one of these, and I'm really liking the way it came out. So have a nice day, guys. Bye.